Hi everyone, this is Mondal from Stony Brook University. I am excited to talk about our paper on gaze prediction for speech-directed human attention. Humans have always used referring expressions to incrementally direct attention to objects in a scene. For example, in this scene, one might move their gaze to either animal on hearing the word giraffe, and then decide not to move their gaze for words like on and the, as they do not add any additional information. And then finally, upon hearing the word right, they might fixate on the correct giraffe. Predicting gaze movements for spoken instructions would therefore enable smooth voice-assisted human-computer interactions and also help study how humans integrate language and vision. In a nutshell, our contributions are threefold. We introduce the incremental object referral task. We create RefCocoGaze, a large-scale dataset of gaze behavior during this task. And we propose ART, a gaze prediction model specifically designed for this task. Standard object referral task involves localizing an object based on a referring expression. Our novel incremental object referral task involves predicting gaze of humans searching for a target in an image while they are hearing a referring expression. Hence, prediction must be on a word-by-word basis, and for our task, a word may trigger between 0 and several fixations. To study the incremental object referral task, we collected a large-scale dataset called RefCocoGaze because it is based on the RefCoco dataset. It has over 19,000 scan paths, which is collected from 220 participants listening to the referring expressions while searching for the object. For computationally modeling human scan paths for our task, we designed Attention and Referral Transformer, or ART. Three key components that set ART apart are that it learns object grounding tasks underlying object referral along with gaze prediction, that it contains a novel fixation prediction framework, and that its design allows it to be pre-trained on underlying object referral tasks on larger RefCoco dataset. ART contains a visual encoder for images and a language encoder for each prefix of a referring expression. Both of these encodings are input to visual linguistic encoder, which combines both modalities to predict target location and category, along with providing visual linguistic context to the back decoder. This decoder component uses fixation history encodings to generate embeddings of current fixations that are finally predicted in the prediction module. We hypothesize that two processes underlie our incremental object referral task: object localization and target category prediction. For an image and referring expression input to ART for predicting scan paths, we expect it to benefit from learning object localization and target category prediction. So we train ART on both of these tasks along with the scan path prediction objective. And we do this for both complete and partial expressions, something that is not supported by previous methods. In our task, a word may spur a variable number of fixations ranging from 0 to several. We call a sequence of fixations triggered by a word a pack of fixations. Every valid pack contains fixations parameterized by these parameters: the spatial location, pack number, which is the index of the pack, and order in which the fixation occurs in a pack. We also define two special packs: a null pack for when a word does not trigger any fixations, and a terminal pack for when the search process has ended, which may or may not occur before the end of the referring expression. We predict the special packs and also the parameters of the valid fixations in the fixation prediction module. Previous methods used a frozen object referral model, or LACT1, altogether. However, since ART contains an object referral model, we can train and pre-train it, and we find that this yields better generalization. As shown here, we train the visual language and the visual linguistic encoders on RefCoco training data for the object localization and target category prediction tasks. Here we present the results of ART and other baselines on RefCocoGaze. As we can see clearly, ART outperforms previous methods by significant margins. Here we show some qualitative results. We find that ART generates the most human-like scan paths for this task, displaying weighting, scanning, and verification strategies akin to human participants. To sum it up, we introduced the incremental object referral task for scan path prediction and collected a large-scale dataset called RefCocoGaze for this task. We also developed a novel architecture ART carefully designed for our incremental multimodal task, and it outperforms several baselines on RefCocoGaze. We hope ART and RefCocoGaze will benefit researchers studying human integration of vision and language, along with HCI researchers. Code and dataset are available. Thank you for your attention.